Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering down and clearing the door so nothing shifts while you work. Once unplugged, take off removable bins and magnets. You need a flat, padded surface nearby to set the glass. Make sure to wear gloves and safety glasses because you'll handle edges. Locate the retaining clips or screws along the perimeter. Using the correct screwdriver, loosen them just until the glass sits free. Then, support the glass from below with one hand while you prepare to fully lift it out. You're now removing the glass from its channel. Work evenly around the frame, loosen screws a quarter turn at a time so tension releases uniformly. This prevents bending or cracking. Once clips are loose, slide a plastic putty knife under one edge to break any seal, then lift straight up while holding the bottom. If the glass is heavy or awkward, have someone stabilize the opposite side. Make sure the gasket isn't sticking. Gently coax the glass free rather than forcing it. You've removed the glass, now finish safely. Stand the pane upright on a padded surface and inspect all edges for damage before storing or replacing. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. Slide into the track, seat the gasket, then tighten clips a little at a time so the glass remains level. If the glass won't budge earlier, warm the gasket with a hair dryer on low to soften it. If chips appear, stop and replace the glass to avoid cuts or future breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.